Yo, 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 good morning, good morning.
Where I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays, I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days, I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping. Stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never changed. I'm packing, I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it, love yourself. Practice what you preach.
Yo, 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 yo. Hope everybody has been well. This market has been something, isn't it? Something that I realized between January and February, it's not that it's not tradable, but man, trading these like holding for the day is difficult, especially, when I say difficult, I'm talking about me here, okay? When you're talking about lower time frame, you can't hold nothing for a long time, so it's probably best to do 5 minute or whatever, but just looking at how price has been going, right? It's not that it hasn't been completely smooth, but if you was here holding on to something higher, retrace, maybe you thought you caught something, then bam, went back down, so timing is important. There's definitely trades available, take partials, take something off the table, all of that. So looking at overall this week, we had Monday, Sunday, you just dropped on Sunday, right? Prices dropped on Sunday, rallied up on Monday, consolidated, manipulated down, move, closed this gap from last week Friday before going higher. All right, let me close that. Classic. And so now, then you had Thursday. I don't want to say consolidation, continuation, but you basically open up around this gap. You don't close it completely, but you come down and retest before shooting up. So the question is, where do we go from here to close out on Friday? It honestly doesn't have to go anywhere. We have all-time highs right here. If I'm just looking at the 15 minute, looking at the body, alright, you got one standard deviation here. So I'd like a retracement, is what I would like, but the question is to where, right? This was the buy side liquidity for shooting back up. I have this area as an area of inefficiency, but it doesn't have to. We currently have Asian highs. I don't trust this 215 high, so that'll be some buy side liquidity. But not to say that I'm bearish, but I'd like to retest these inefficient areas here. I'd like to get down here. So if I get a trade down there, that'd be great. Let's see here. Or if I don't get a trade down here, because I don't want it to look like a trend line, right? But I'd be overthinking it sometime. Like, I'm not looking for it to look like a trend line, but sometimes that's what it comes down to, you know? But anyways, if we do sell, I'm looking to go here. If we end up buying, this is a target, and then it's just a matter of measuring non-standard deviations. Hypothetically, if this is the low of the day, then you got 1 standard deviations and then 2. I don't think we get to all-time high today, but that could be something. If we are selling without taking this high, this is about 2.5 standard deviations. So the low of the day could really be in, and we just go higher, right? And if that is the case, and the question is, do we get a drop before going higher? You got this inefficiency is filled. You got this inefficiency is filled at 8:29. You got this inefficiency is filled. So these are all filled. So unless we're reversing, we don't necessarily have to come back down here. Then this inefficiency is filled. So there's nothing efficient down here. There's just buy side and sell side. And I will remove this from confusion. Alright. So this is our weekly profile here. So I'd like some sales. 1 hour gap. Doesn't have to. So we want to wait for something clear. After 8:30 swing, this is 8:30, so the first swing would be here and then here, and then 8:30, this is a swing here. Now, what could be turning points if it does shoot up? These are all areas of interest. See, that's filled, that's filled, that's filled. You could play here again, but it's like, why do that, right? So, I don't know. Market opens in about 5 minutes, and so we will see at that point what is there for us. But Market opens in about 2 minutes. Market is open now. Alright. It's bullish over the flow until proven otherwise. It is bullish order flow until proven otherwise. Give me up. I need upbeat. Yeah. Want to go all in on shorts right now. It's really what I want to do. People trying to buy this dip. This could be seen as a 15-minute gap, which is gonna hold up strong. It's Friday, baby. Alright, we're probably gonna have our first gap right here. So we got some S&T here. Nah. Don't rush to do that. Alright. Give this a very, very short leash. Probably should have waited a little bit. Ugh. That's not good. I ain't gonna lie, I over leveraged on that one. I probably should have just held it, to be honest with you, right? Just let that bad bit go. Alright, just be patient. What am I seeing right now? I'm seeing bullish order flow. So that went up, made up for the gotta be nimble. this market open gap, this potential rejection block kind of. All I want to see is just get above here. Get above this high and then just take off. I'll move it to break even at that point and then just take off. That's what I'm really hoping for. At least one standard deviation. It could probably go higher, but I think this is a good litmus right here. Now, this for Vega, I don't want us going up here to come back down, right? Once this body closes above the 50%, which is about 2 in about 1 second, alright, we good. So let me close that. Alright, I don't want us coming back all the way down here from here. What I want is for us to get above it and then head there, right? But we could even get a little play here, play there, and make it really, really tough before getting there. But it's Friday. It might not be any smooth price action, but what I'm hoping for is that at the very least we get like one standard deviation or some like highs, right? So if we get here and don't come down here, then we should be able to get that, right? I'll be at break even and then we'll be good for that. So I want to see higher prices. See, this is ES right here. ES is in that same spot and ES is above it. So if ES is leading, which sometimes it is, right? I don't want ES to come back down, right? I don't see any divergence. We both got that. So let's see here. What is 27 points? See, I could see ES coming back down here to market open gap before going up. But even though there's no divergence here, there is divergence there. See, that's the problem. ES took that high, right? That's the 435 high. Wow. NQ did not. So that could be a problem. And if it is, I'll probably just swap it out, but it just hasn't been proven yet. The inefficiency is below. It's just that there's no point of coming up here not to go all the way. That's my thought process, at least. So that's for the person trying to sell. That's the on a 5 minute. What does it look like? 5 minute looks like a 5 minute gap, you know? Somebody's trying to sell this. That's something that I would typically be looking for. And we've been going up all week, so it's like, why not get some kind of retracement? But order flow look like it's not happening. I'm just looking for liquidity. We get above London highs, and that's enough for me, you know. But the market makers won't play nice. Could this be a shift? And change the state of delivery. These are the little things, the little things. It's 9:57. So for those who trade macros at 9:50, you say took out a high S&T, come back down, or you took out a swing low, not gonna come back. So even for those trading macros, it's what is the algo trying to do at this point before 10 a.m. Looks like we took out a short term and could retrace back here to go back up. The question is, do I want to see that? Or do I want to wait for that? We can get a bounce here. I just don't want to come way down here. Then I would probably have a problem. Let's be safe. And what I'll do is, if it does come back, I will just wait for another entry. Alright, so I at least feel safe now. Because what I don't like is that. That looks disgusting. I would definitely be looking for sales to come down here, or at least some kind of bash in these stop losses, right? So, for sure, these equal lows built up. And then you have that as a swing, right? Now the thing is too, is that both can be true, right? You can come down here, ES can come down here before shooting up, and NQ doesn't, or they both can come down before going back up. But I like the entry here of this being market open gap. You know, fair value gaps can be tested as many times as they want, but what I like to think, like I said, is that we're inducing sellers to come back up. I just don't like jamming stop losses here, is what I don't like, you know. And then we're talking about completing the market maker buy model, right? You have this to here, you know. So we're now back at origination almost, kind of. So yeah, it's about just protecting. It is higher contract size than what I normally like to take, to be honest with you, because I was expecting more speed. I should have just took the money that I had, to be honest with you. Alright, so now we got that. Now are we gonna come back down all the way? And if it is, I'll be out, and I'll just look for a different entry for something else. Alright, and that's fine. Market open. Now did we do that just to shoot back up, or are we gonna keep going down? Like we're going back into the range. Oh yeah. Who's gonna stop this monster? And back up. Took out liquidity. Why is it not? Looking to go back up. Not come back down. I mean, we come back down here, I'm closing, and then I'm waiting, because that just means. But if we just took out a bunch of buyers and induced more sellers, then we should not come back down here at all, is my thought process. All right, let's see if we shoot up from here and move back to break even. Protect that. Hopefully we don't have to come back up. Because we just took some more sales out of liquidity, right? At least one. Let's get above that. Okay. We are already. ES is already at London high, like just get to London high. And then NQ is at London high now too. So even though I won't take another L, if it comes back, like you just hate being wrong multiple times, so even being at break even multiple times just for price to go your way, like that will affect you mentally too, so like just trying to stay focused. I want this to be an inversion. Doesn't always have to be. And ES doesn't have to come back down here. But it can decide to play ESD. I ain't gonna lie, if we come all the way down here and don't hit my stop loss, it's gonna make me want to pyramid more. But then I'm gonna think, okay, ICT teaches right before it hits liquidity, it runs away from it. So it could jam up more stop losses just before it goes up, So if your stop loss is here, and you see this, you're probably going to think that it's protected and feel even more confident. But then I'd like for it to just jam. But I prefer when it just jams straight to the stop loss. Like, don't come all the way down here. Because then you're scaring buyers too. But market makers don't care, man. They know how to, they do what they do best. Let's put it that way. Honestly, the real liquidity is right here. To be honest with you, that's where the S&T happened. Do I add 2 more here? Would that be foolish? Yeah. Should I call it a day? Should I call it a day? We come back down one more time, I'm gonna leave, because it's like my things are only getting higher and higher. I don't want my contract sizes getting higher and higher. Like, we should not be coming back down here. See, I don't like ES doing that. See, you already took sell side liquidity here. Why come here again? You telling me you don't want to take out London highs? That's crazy to me. If I get this right here, I'll hold till like lunchtime. If I can get this right here, if I get this right here, I'll hold until like lunchtime just to see how high we could go. But it makes no sense to like come back down here again. 0 cents. Yeah, like why? Why? Oh, look at that 15-minute candle. We got 5 minutes left in this candle. It could just be a nice little wick. Started up at 15. I don't know why you come back to where these equal lows was. Like, that doesn't make sense to me. Except for that it's Friday, you know? Once we take London highs and I move the break even, I will not re-enter a trade again. Like, for sure. I only keep trying because I think we're trying to scare the buyers out of their position and inducing more sellers so these highs are protected. Once we get above here and I'm able to move the break even, I am not re-entering any trades. At that point, whatever happens, happens. That's why I want London highs. Like, I want London highs. See, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. We took equal lows, hit a fair value gap, went up above. Like, I'm not looking at this as some deep ass retracement. Like, yeah, the bodies are here on the 70, but this is nasty. But I guess wicks do damage, indeed. Wicks do damage. See, scalping is easy, but it's because I keep trying not to scalp. Am I trying to do too much in a scalper's market? Is that what it is? Is this that it's a scalper's market? Ugh. I really don't want this, but why even come back down here at all? You just gotta be smart and move. Yes, stop losses could be too tight, but if this is my real target, there should be multiple opportunities for an entry. I just don't want to have to keep buying higher and higher and higher. Like, that's what I don't want. Keep coming to stop me out. It's Friday. I should just be nimble. What the 5 minute looks like. Yeah, man, look how deep. Look how deep this thing is on a 5 minute. And even on this, it's just nasty, bro. It's just nasty. So give me a second, I gotta take this phone call. That's why I hate distraction, but What are we doing, bro? Yeah, that's a stop loss. I would have been stopped out anyways. Could we really be going lower? I mean, if we come back up, I'm just gonna close. To be honest with you. Oh my gosh. I'm just going for a little scalp here to see if it continues. This is market open gap, so we can just shoot back up, but I'm just going for a little scalp here. Alright, now I'm up for the day. Scalping is what I should do, is do this. I could have scalped a long time ago and been up, man. But I'm looking for what the price is trying to do for the day. Where are we reaching for? Where are we reaching for? Might as well go back down. It look like it's going lower. Remember I said market open gap, these fair value gaps could be retested a bunch of times. So again, I was right about the longs, but look at that timing. $22,250. Could retest this. Then take it higher. Just to retest before going higher. Is this another opportunity? Hey, I want to buy right here. I'm risking the profits for the day, okay? Don't waste no time. You play around, I'm closing this. You play around, I am closing this. I don't want to play no games. No games. This spot going down. You know what? Yeah. It's okay. Because I'm not losing that way. You can come back on me if you want to. Now we come back up here. Well, I can't lose. See what it looks like. Should wait till the 15-minute candle close, but probably not gonna go up until about 11:15 maybe. But we started right at 11. Went down. That should be the manipulation, the wick lower for this 15-minute candle. That's what that should be. Or is this just Scalp City? Alright, so I took 2 off here. I'm going to take another 2 off here. Alright, take another 2 and then hold these. Partials is the name of the game. It's Friday, so it's just not the easiest day to trade, not at all. Alright, I am going to call it a day. Alright, that is it for me. No more entries. It's 11:14. TGIF, y'all. TGIF. Alright, I am out of here.
Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain. plain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now, push it.